Hello guys, today I'm going to show you can send fax message from other Lite. So in the first step, open the Play Store and look for the Easy Fax app. Install it and open. Now add a permission to the camera and to the files. Click on the plus and choose Source Separate Document. Click on the import. Now you can add this shape to your document or the picture. Choose the filter for the photo to make it more visible for the receiver. Now, type the number in this place, choose a country from the list, and now just send the message by this button. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.